Did you know that one of the hottest places on earth is found in Africa? Yes, Ethiopia, a place called Dalol. This place is often described as an alien landscape because everything about it feels unreal. The colors, the formations, the heat, it genuinely looks like another planet. Now, if I wasn't a Kenyan, I'd probably panic at the word alien, but Kenyans are built different. Back home, the National Registration Bureau made life very simple for us because among the IDs you can use to register a SIM card in Kenya, Alien ID is one of them. So honestly, why would I freak out? Anyway, I'm very happy to be in Addis Ababa, the capital city of one of the very few African nations that was never colonized. Recently, Ethiopia launched the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, GERD, Africa's largest hydropower project. Our President William Samoei Ruto was here for that event. After that, Kenyans and Ethiopians did what we do best. We started arguing online about which country is more developed. But here are a few uncomfortable facts. The United Nations headquarters for Africa is here. One of the tallest buildings in Africa is here. Africa's largest hydropower dam is here. Africa's biggest airline run by Africans is based here. And just in case that's not enough, Ethiopia is currently building the largest airport in Africa ever. Now, let's talk about why I'm actually here. On my journey from Nairobi to Lome, the capital city of Togo, I flew Ethiopian Airlines from Mombasa and landed in Addis Ababa for a layover before continuing west. If you ever flown Ethiopian Airlines, you already know this. When you have a long layover, they don't abandon you at the airport like a forgotten suitcase. They host you. And that right there explains why they built this 5-star hotel. Ethiopian Skylight currently is the second largest hotel in Ethiopia. And let me be very honest with you. This is the first time in my life I've ever gotten lost inside a hotel. This place is massive, luxurious, slightly disrespectful to my sense of direction. But before I embarrass myself any further, let me give you a tour for my room today. Use a keycard. Yes, guys. I even dropped my papers. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm gonna give you a tour. Let me settle down and give you a tour. Yo guys, even though I feel headache, I think I just got cured. I really can't believe this. This is real. I'm gonna give you a whole tour of how this room looks like. First of all, it just showed me Pepe, you know. I just got here and then the electricity. I didn't know that. Just on the door, there's a place you're supposed to place your card. It's written, insert card for power, you know. I tell you, I had even to call the reception. So this is the entrance. Sorry, let me just show you from this side. You know, this is your entrance where you come from, and this is a shoe rack. Yeah, where you put your shoes, blah blah blah. And then here you have your robe. See, actually, yeah, it's one. And then you have an iron table with an iron box, and then you have your shoes here. See, and then you have a modern shower. Look at this, guys. This is a hot tub, yeah, with so many towels, like 1, 2, 3, yeah, and then you have a hand wash, and then you come here, you have a mirror, yeah. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how this operates. And then you have a hair dryer, and then you have a normal sink, you know. And then here comes the toilet. You know? It even has a portrait inside, like art, you know. And then a wall toilet with a very fancy Ethiopian Skylight sanitary bag. So, I don't know what this is for. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, okay. This is a cell phone for emergency. And then you have a dustbin, you know, and then you have this. Oh my goodness, this is surreal. You have a washroom, yeah, with a very modern, sorry, a bathroom with some modern amenities. Look at how it looks like. Guys, I'm looking at myself, I'm like, yo, man, this is all for me. And that's not enough. Let me keep showing you. See, you have 2 water bottles. I think they knew I was very thirsty, no? And then you have a drawer cabinet here, which has some things to fix sugar for you, you know. It's a welcome fancy a snack or a drink. Your minibar ready is here, please, whatever, you know. You are done with that. This is where you can set up your temperature in the room. It's very hot here. It feels more of Mombasa. And then here comes my name. I'm sorry. Dear Hamza Kariko Njikwele, welcome to Skylight Hotel. Blah blah blah. Choose English. And then I don't know. It's not a screen touch. Okay. No problem. And then you have a sitting area where you can just sit and work. This is like a small office. And then you have a coffee table. It's where you can just sit, you know, have your meetings, use your laptops. And then here I just placed my bag there. We have a very good, beautiful artwork of a town. Maybe this is the town center of Ethiopia. Sorry. And then we have very good lighting. And here comes a very king-size bed. Can you see that, guys? I'm shocked. This looks amazing. Amazing. Look at those lamps. Oh my goodness. It feels it's a real big here. So, first order of business, drink some water, take shower, and then even now we can think about how we're gonna look for food. You know, because all these services are inclusive of one dinner, which finishes at 9:45. I really believe now. What the time is it? It's 12:003. So dinner time is over. But I saw those people who didn't get a chance to get their rooms. They are being told to go and take dinner, and it's just 2 minutes, 10 minutes ago. So it's amazing. So let me enjoy the amenities. Thank you so much, Ethiopian Airlines. Guess who's done taking shower? This is how I look like. Ish. Okay. And then something I didn't realize was here they have like this is like Ethiopian Skylight Hotel. It's like a kit of everything you need, like for shaving. You see, this is a razor. This was a comb, and then they have a toothbrush, shower cap for people who have dreads and blah blah blah. This is a loafer, see? So when you come here, remember what they always say, you'll know your level of being poor when you travel around with a toothbrush in your bag. So I think I'm no longer poor because I don't travel with it. Anyway, so in case you find yourself here, this thing can really help you. It's not easy to notice, by the way. Yeah. So we're getting ready to sleep. I am making my beard. Yeah. Very nice. I also carried my brush. I never leave it behind. You know? They also have a body lotion. I think I noticed it's like something they have custom made because everything is Ethiopian Skylight Hotel, same. And also look at this bath gel, shampoo, air conditioner. See, they all have similarities, so it's something like custom made. Yep. So I think after showing you that, I can now brush my teeth. You know? I got late to dinner, so I don't want to order food. I ate enough food in the flight, so it's okay, even if I don't eat for now. Yeah. Guys, the toothbrush comes with its own Colgate. See this. Yeah. I don't know. Can you see it? Yeah. The autofocus is really messing me up. Yes, finally. And the toothbrush looks like this. Yeah. Very strong, whitey. I like it. So let's clean those two teeth. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's the right time to move. Okay. It's 5 a.m. and we are heading to take a breakfast and head to the airport to catch a flight which is going to Lome. Yeah, Togo, the capital city of Togo. So that's the outfit of the day. Yeah. See you in a bit. As promised, let's check out. Bye bye. We didn't leave the room messy. Yeah. Let's go find some breakfast. So guys, breakfast is served opposite the opposite building in the same hotel, but you have to go downstairs. When you come at this side, you just show your checkout card and then I don't know, Asian Bay restaurant. Where else? I think it's on this side. Oh my Goodness. This place has so many sections to a point. Getting lost is easy. You know? Let me look for it. Finally, we have made it to check-in. Waiting for a flight to head to Togo, Lomé, the capital city, and I'm in the waiting area. And this is zone 2. Let me show you my view currently. You see that? That's where you see aircrafts running to run away. When you have a view like that, it's something you can usually just appreciate or say it's amazing. Or if someone takes a picture for you, until you know the hassle to be on this seat. Yeah. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. I really can't explain it. So let's wait and go to enjoy, or rather to visit and see Lome, how it looks like and what's so special about that country. Much love and God bless you.